In today's video, I am going to teach you how to insert a text box in an Gmail email. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser and going to your inbox. Once you are looking at your main inbox screen, find the Compose button, usually on the left side. Click Compose to open a new email draft. This brings up the message window where you normally type your email. Now, Gmail does not have a true insert text box button like you might see in a word processor. A reliable workaround is to create the text box in a Google Doc. Copy it and then paste it into your Gmail message so it appears as a boxed section of content. To do this, switch over to a Google Docs document. In the top menu of Google Docs, click Insert. This is where you can add special elements to the page. After you open the Insert menu, you will be working with the part of the document that contains the text box content. Click and drag to highlight the content that you want to place into Gmail. Be careful to select the full text box area, including all the text and formatting you want to keep. If your selection is incomplete, the pasted result in Gmail may look uneven or missing pieces. Once the correct section is highlighted, copy it. You can do this by clicking Copy from the menu that appears, or by using your standard keyboard shortcut for copy. The important thing is that the boxed content is now on your clipboard. Next, return to your Gmail draft. Click inside the body of the email where you want the text box to appear. Make sure your cursor is placed exactly where you want the boxed section to go, because it will paste right at that spot. Then paste the copied content into the email body using your usual paste method. After it is pasted, click once on the inserted content to ensure it is selected and positioned correctly. If needed, click within the area again to confirm the text is active and readable. This also helps you verify that the formatting transferred properly from Google Docs into Gmail. Once everything looks right in the draft, you can continue writing the rest of your email around the inserted text box as usual. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.